Hello all, welcome to my Mindwise channel. Today our topic is content storage and delivery for e-learning platforms. So let's get into the video. I'll be explaining you how the top e-learning platforms existing in the market store their content and deliver it seamlessly using cloud technologies. This process is a key ensuring students accessing high quality educational materials anytime, anywhere. So let's get into them in detail. Have you wondered how and have you wondered why these e-learning platforms are using cloud technologies to deliver their content at the same time to store their content? Don't worry, I'll explain. Let's go to them one by one. Let's discuss cloud storage first. These e-learning platforms utilizing the cloud service providers such as AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud to store their content. Typically, these three are considered as backbone of content storage and content delivery for e-learning platforms. So let's discuss that. Coming to the content storage, e-learning platforms typically use cloud storage services like AWS S3, Azure Blob Storage, or Google Cloud Storage. These services provide highly scalable and durable storage solutions for content such as videos, documents, and interactive course materials. For example, AWS S3 organizes content into buckets and offer featuring like versioning and encryption to manage and secure files effectively. Let's go to CDN. CDN stands for Content Delivery Network. To ensure quick and reliable access, these platforms integrate a content delivery network such as AWS CloudFront or Azure CDN. CDNs replicate content across multiple servers worldwide. So when a student accesses a course, a content is delivered from the nearest server, reducing the latency and improving the performance. And also additional features includes like tools for analytics, monitoring, and auto scaling. For example, they can analyze how students interact with content, scale resources to handle traffic spikes during peak hours, and ensure the platform runs smoothly without downtime. So, let's get into the summary to further better understanding. In summary, e-learning platforms leverage cloud storage for scalable and secure content management, and CDNs for fast and global delivery. These technologies ensure students have a seamless learning experience, making education more accessible and more effective. Thank you. Have a nice day.